In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in ClickUp. Setting recurring tasks is a great way to keep your work methodical and consistent, especially when your team handles the same responsibilities week after week. Let's walk through it together so you can set this up confidently and save time. From your ClickUp home, head to your team space and open the overview of your workspace. Navigate to your spaces and choose the one where you want the task to live. Open the relevant list view so you can see your tasks. Click Add Task to create a new one. Give it a clear, action-oriented name. For this demo, I'll call it New Spreadsheet. Click Save. You'll now see the new task in the list. This is just for demonstration, but the same steps apply to any task you create. Open the task to view its details. Here, you can adjust the status, add tags, and set a time estimate if you like. When you're ready to make it recurring, click the Dates field. In the Date panel, click Start to set the starting point. Then scroll to the bottom and choose Set Recurring. You'll see flexible cadence options. You can set it to recur weekly, which is perfect for team check-ins, daily, for routine stand-ups or reports, or monthly. If you choose monthly, you can select same day each month for a reliable monthly cycle. You can also decide whether the task should repeat indefinitely or end on a certain date, or after a set number of occurrences. Just like that, your repeating schedule is defined. Next, choose when the next instance should be created. You can trigger it. On status change, such as when the task is set to closed or done, or keep it on schedule, which is ideal if you want the next one to appear strictly by date. You can also have it reset to do or in progress automatically, so your workflow stays consistent. If your process requires it, set a custom due date or offset so each recurrence lands exactly where you need it. When everything looks right, click Save. There we go. Your task is now recurring in ClickUp. You'll notice the dates reflect the repeating pattern you selected, and future copies will appear on time without any manual setup. This simple automation helps teams stay organized, improves accountability, and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. We trust you'll get the hang of this quick process after watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and until next time.